Hello everyone. Touch switches and touch buttons are very convenient. And that is why they are widely used in household appliances. Is it possible to make a touch switch with your own hands? Of course you can. The schematic diagram of such a device is simple, and to make it, you will need only one chip and a few more details. Now I will make such a homemade touch switch using volumetric mounting. By the way, you can download the schematic diagram of this device, as well as ask questions you are interested in the Telegram group. The link to this group will be in the description below this video, as well as in the first comment. Join us. This circuit works as follows. In the initial state, the capacitor C1 is charged. Pins 1 and 4 of the DD1.1 element have a high level, that is, a logical unit. And on pin 5, a low level. At pin 9 of the DD1.2 element, there is also a low level, that is, a logical 0. The VT3 transistor is closed and the LED does not light up. When you touch the sensor with your finger, the leads from the human body, and this is usually 50 Hz of the household network, are amplified by transistors VT1 and VT2. Rectangular pulses appear on the collector of transistors. The first of these pulses converts the DD1.1 element to a single state, and a high level will appear on pin 5. This will trigger a counting trigger on the DD1 element. 2. A logical unit will appear on its pin 9, that is, a voltage will appear that will open the transistor VT3 and the LED will turn on. When the sensor is touched again, the device returns to standby mode. The capacitor C2 is needed in order to suppress pulse interference from the power supply, due to which the touch switch may be triggered falsely. Instead of an LED in this device, you can use a relay that will control a powerful load, for example, an incandescent lamp. In this case, the device diagram will look like this. You can download this scheme in the Telegram group. The link to the group will be in the description below this video. First of all, I will solder all the necessary jumpers on the K155TM2 chip. Capacitors will be located on the left and right sides of the chip. In this scheme I use KT315 transistors. If necessary, of course, they can be replaced with other transistors suitable in parameters, for example, KT3102 or BC547. I had to tinker with the KT817 transistor a bit, but in the end it found its place. I will make a sensor out of copper wire and then solder it to the base of the transistor. I have to solder the missing jumpers. A current limiting resistor of 150 ohms must be installed in front of the LED. That's it. The touch switch is ready. It's time to test it in operation. As you can see, this touch switch works fine. The sensor is sensitive and the mode switching is clear. It remains only to check what current this touch switch consumes. In standby mode, the current is 15 mA. And when the LED is turned on, about 40 mA. This concludes this video. If you liked it, if you liked this version of a homemade touch switch, then click the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon next to this button to accurately receive notifications from my channel. I thank you for watching and bye.